struggling to produce high-end product commercials without a massive studio budget? The landscape of video marketing has completely shifted. AI generation is now capable of photorealistic, cinematic physics that rival traditional shoots. Today, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step workflow to create compelling product videos like a premium orange juice ad, using the incredibly powerful Seedance 2 model. You can find it right now on the Crun AI platform. Let's jump into the workflow. Step 1. Access and Setup. First, head over to the Crun AI platform. Open the Seedance 2 model workspace. As you can see at the top, we are selecting the Seedance 2 text-to-video option. The interface is intuitive and ready for professional use. Step 2. Crafting the cinematic prompt. This is where Seedance 2 really shines. To get a commercial-grade orange juice demo, we need to be highly descriptive. I'm pasting in our prompt. Tips: you can also click the Generate with AI option to optimize the prompt. Step 3. Dial in settings and generate. Now we finalize our output. Set the duration, we'll keep it punchy at 8 seconds. For the resolution, we choose the 1080p. For a social media product ad, I'm selecting the 9:16 aspect ratio. Finally, hit the blue Generate button. In just moments, you have a premium product B-roll shot ready for your editing timeline. It is really that simple to generate commercial-grade product videos, ready to elevate your video marketing. Head over to Crun, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI video editing workflows.